Should we get you a little Mexican Dorito? Would you like a girlfriend?
No, ask him if he wants a Dorito.
Do you want a Dorito? No Doritos for you. You want a Dorito? Do you like the new Doritos? Are they spicy? Who wants a spicy Dorito? You do! You want a spicy Dorito? You want a spicy Dorito? Do you like the new Doritos? Do you like the lime? Do you want to go outside? Do you want to go outside? We'll go poop? Do you want to go poop out that Dorito? You do? We'll go outside? Tell me. Okay. Okay, we're going. Pause it.
No, I gotta stop it. Okay.